Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. 我是 Red. For all you Chinese learners out there, have you ever felt confused about how to express that something is increasingly changing? You've probably seen both 越来越 and 越越. They look almost the same, right? But using the wrong one can make your sentence sound weird or even change the meaning entirely. That's a classic comparative trap. Today we're going to dive deep. Crack this puzzle wide open and make sure you never mix them up again. By the way, if you find these deep dive lessons helpful and would like to support the channel in creating more content, you can buy me a coffee over on my coffee page. The link is always in the description. I really appreciate. Now let's get into the lesson. Let's start with the more common one, 越来越. This structure is used to describe a single subject or situation that is changing progressively over time. Think of it as a one-track trend. The change is happening by itself as time goes on. The structure is fixed, 越来越 plus adjective or verb. The key here is time. We are watching something evolve. For example, 天气越来越热了。天气越来越热了。The weather is getting hotter and hotter. It's just a heat increasing over days or weeks. 他的中文越来越好。他的中文越来越好。Her Chinese is getting better and better. A gradual improvement over time. 我越来越喜欢中国文化。我越来越喜欢中国文化。I like Chinese culture more and more. My feeling depends over time. See the pattern? One thing, weather, Chinese, my liking. One direction of change, hot, good, like, over time. Now let's look at 越. This structure shows a correlation or proportionality. It means the more A happens, the more B happens. Part A and Part B are connected. A influences B, or they happen simultaneously. This is about logical connection, not just time. The formula is 越 plus verb or adjective A, 越 plus verb or adjective B. For example, 你越练习越进步。你越练习越进步。The more you practice, the more you improve. Practice causes improvement. 车越开越快。车越开越快。The more it's driven, or the longer it drives, the faster it gets. Driving leads to speed increase.
我越学越有兴趣。我越学越有兴趣。
The more I study, the more interested I become. Studying creates interest. The difference from 越来越 is crucial. In example 2, 车越来越快 is also grammatically correct, but it simply states the car is getting faster over time. 车越开越快 adds the reason or action. It's getting faster as someone drives it or through the process of driving. This is where people get trapped. Let's compare sentences that look similar but mean different things. The trap 1, the practice trap. 他的发音越来越好。他的发音越来越好。His pronunciation is getting better and better over time, generally. 他越练习发音越好。他越练习发音越好。The more he practices, the better his pronunciation gets. Highlights the direct cause effect. Sentence A is a general observation. Sentence B explicitly links practice to improvement. Trap 2, the nervous trap. 我越来越紧张。我越来越紧张。I'm getting more and more nervous as the event approaches over time. 我越想越紧张。我越想越紧张。The more I think about it, the more nervous I get. Thinking is a direct cause of increased nervousness. To lock this in forever, here's your cheat sheet. Number 1, time versus logic. Ask yourself, is this meaning about change over time? Use 越来越. Or is it about one thing affecting another? Use 越越. Number 2, structure check. 越来越 is a solid block. It's always together, followed by the adjective or verb. 越越 is a pair of bookends. You must put something in between them, like 越 verb or adjective 越. Number 3, pro tip. You can even combine them for advanced expression, like 他越努力学习，成绩越好，也越来越自信。The harder he studies, the better his grades become, and he's also becoming more and more confident. And that's it. The trap is now disarmed. You've mastered the difference between the one-track change of 越来越 and the cause and effect chain of 越越. Give me a sentence in the comments using either structure correctly. Try to create one that shows you understood the difference. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a fellow learner. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more Chinese grammar breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. 再见。